Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Alya Rozali Ramadhani with the name 2314040003 from Tadris Mathematics A Class Batch 23 Imam Bonjol Padang State Islamic University. Right now I will explain one of the accurate mathematics materials about relation and function. I made this assessment to fulfill an English language mathematics assessment, and my teaching lecture is Fitria Mardika MPD. Do you know about relation and function?
No!
If you don't know yet, let's learning together. We have the definition of relation. Relation is a set of ordered pairs. I have an example of relation in which, as you can see, I have here 4 different ordered pairs. We have -1, 3, for the first order pair. We have -2, 4 the second order pair. We have -3, 5 the third order pair, and also have -4, 6 as your first order pair. When it comes to relations and functions, we have here the two terminologies. We have the domain and range. Domain, or X, is the set of all first coordinates, while range, or Y, is the set of all second coordinates. Domain, or X, is also we know as input, and range, or Y, is also we know as output. In first coordinates, remember compact Cartesian coordinates and coordinates that are represented by X and Y. So, the domain X is -1, -2, -3, -4. And for range, or Y, is the set of all second coordinates, and we have from the example is 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next, representations of relations. Now, in this part of video, I will give you different ways on how to represent our relations. For the example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the first one, how to represent a relationships using ordered pairs. And second representations, we have table of value. We can see a vertical table values. X value are your domain and Y value is a range. Its value, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And Y values, we have 1, 3, 4, and 5. Next, the third type of representation that I can talk that in mapping diagram, where in given these two ovals, all you need to do is to list out all the numbers of all the values of X. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And the y value, we have 1, 3, 4, and 5. From x value upon the sub y value. This is 2 to 3. 3 for 4. And then corresponding 4 to corresponding to 5. For the last way on how to represent a relation is by the graph, great detail points. Let's have 1, 1. For the second point, we have 2, 3. Next, the third point, we have 3, 4. And the 4 is 4, 5. So, this is how you represent relation, guys. We have set of order pairs, we have table of value, we have mapping diagram, and the last we have the graph. Next, type of relations. For the first one, which assumes 1-to-1 relation. In 1-to-1 relation is that if you have set value for x and set value of y, 1 corresponding for 2. Okay, now for the second we have 1-to-many relation. For x, it corresponds to 3 value for y. So, for example, 1-to-many relation. Next, we can see many-to-one relations. First value of corresponding to a single value of y. The next slide is a function. What is a function? Function is a relation in which its input x has only one output y. Now, I have two different relations, so I want you to observe the first set of ordered pairs. We have 1, 4, 2, -3, 14. And the second set of ordered pairs, we have 1, 3, -2, 5, 1, 4. I want you to focus on the x variable or x value. We have 1, 2, 4. And under we have 1, -2, and 1. We can see we have unique value of x corresponding value of y. Other side of ordered pairs the same x value. From the definitions we know this is relation, not function, because not each input x has only one output y. This is a function because only each input x has only one output. So the conclusion of our learning today is that function is a relationship, but a relationship is not a function. Wow! Hello everyone. 1, 4, 3 Imam Bonjol Padang Islamic University.